Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Coleman SaluSpa Hot Tub and Poolmaster Smart Test. Sink into the warm, bubbling Coleman Air Jet Spa to relax around after a long, hard day. The air jet bubbles are released from the bottom of the spa to create a warm, bubbling hot tub environment. The Coleman Spa comes with a reinforced cover with safety clips for extra insulation. This spa set also comes with a pump that inflates it, heats it up, runs filtration, and controls the massage system, along with a chemconnect chemical dispenser. For maintaining your swimming pool or spa's water chemistry, Poolmaster 4-way test strips are a great choice. The bottle features an easy-to-read color chart and strips for accurate color reading results. Product benefits: digitally controlled pump with soft touch control panel. Heat the water up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit or use the automatic start/stop timer controlled heating system. Leatheroid pool cover with double safety lock clips. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.